Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial we will learn how to interface a Bluetooth module with Arduino in the Proteus. In this project we will simulate how wireless data can be sent to Arduino and displayed on the 20 by 4 LCD screen. First of all, let me define the Bluetooth module. A Bluetooth module such as HC05 or HC06 is a wireless communication device that allows Arduino to communicate with smartphones, laptops, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. It works using serial communication, meaning it can send and receive the data through TX and RX pins. This makes it a very useful for creating wireless control and monitoring systems. Before building the circuit, you will need to install the required Proteus libraries for the Bluetooth module. These libraries were developed by the engineering projects and allow the Bluetooth module to simulate inside the Proteus. You will need to download and install these libraries before starting the simulation. I will provide the download link in the description box. The first library you will need is obviously the Bluetooth library for the Proteus. The second one is the new LCD library for the Proteus, and the third one is Arduino library for the Proteus. Now let's move towards the Proteus circuit. I have created the one for you, as you can see here. This is the module we are talking about. First, place the Arduino, the Bluetooth module, and the 20 by 4 LCD display on this working area, and then connect this according to this circuit. As you can see here, these are the pins I was discussing before, and the data from these pins is moved to the Arduino's digital pins. The Arduino work according to the code, and then the result is displayed on this LCD. So to create the code, you will need Arduino IDE, and I have created the simplest code here. As you can see here, let me explain this. First, we include the liquid crystal library to control the LCD display. As you can see here, the Arduino continuously listen for the incoming data from the Bluetooth module through the serial communication. Whenever the data is received, it is processed and displayed on the LCD. This allows us to monitor message sent from the smartphone or any Bluetooth enabled device. The LCD can show connection status such as status as well as receive the data, making the system easy to understand and debug. These are the pins that are connected to the LCD. These pins are of Arduino, and you can see here in the setup function I have simply provided the message that have to be displayed on the LCD. As a result, the LCD will show that the required messages, and we will know that okay, our Bluetooth is capable of sending the data from one place to another, as I have mentioned before. So to make the connection between the code and the circuit, we have to provide the address of a hex file of this code. So how can we do this? We have to verify the code in the console. It will provide a different type of informations, including the address of the hex file that is saved in your system. So we just have to copy the address as I'm doing so. Okay, I'm copying the wrong code. This is a hex file ending with ino.hex file extension. We have to copy it without the quotation marks and then go to the circuit. We have to simply then place it in the Arduino, double click on it and place it here in the place of program file, and then click OK. Let's check if the project is working according to our requirement. Bluetooth module is connected and it receives the data hello from Bluetooth. As you can see here, the project is working fine. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.